Yo, what's good everyone? Contractor G in the house. A couple of years ago I refinished this project. I just wanted to give you a quick little time lapse of what it looked like before I got my hands on it. I refinished the stairs and handrails with polyshade. I removed this old carpet and installed some new vinyl plank flooring. I removed that half wall and built a custom glass railing. If you want to see more details how I built that glass railing, make sure you check the other video out and smash that like button. I installed a new exterior door. This place is looking crisp. I replaced that sliding window, updated all the electrical outlets, and put in some new lights. I removed all the old 6-panel doors and replaced them with some modern glass doors. I replaced that large picture window. I installed new base trim and door trim, and I gave everything a fresh coat of paint. This place used to look like somebody's old attic. Now it looks like an office worthy of doing business in. I appreciate everybody checking it out. Please smash that like button, subscribe. This is Contractor G. Peace!